Prosperity isn't usually a problem, but growing global populations mean demand for energy, water, and food will increase in the coming decades. By 2050, the world may require 60% more food than today. In that time, the gap between energy supply and demand could grow to the size of the energy industry's total output in the year 2000. And by 2030, fresh water supplies could fall short of demand by 40%. The solution seems simple: to grow more food, generate more energy, and increase water efficiency. However, the three resources are intertwined in a complex web that Shell calls the Stress Nexus. Led by Micah Boagman, Shell's strategy and scenarios team identified over 100 interconnected factors that create the stress nexus. These range from how biomass resources are used, to the price variability of food, to technological innovation in water efficiency. So what's being done? Across the wired world, exciting people and companies are stepping up to the Stress Nexus challenge. In the energy sector, companies like Shell are investing in natural gas, which produces lower CO2 emissions than coal when used to produce electricity. The energy company is also stimulating debate with its annual Powering Progress Together conferences, which bring together leading thinkers from business, government, and society to address energy challenges. In addition, Shell holds an annual competition called Shell Ideas 360. This student initiative aims to champion innovative ideas around greater energy, water, and food economy. Elon Musk's Tesla Motors is working to develop electric cars, seeking to reduce the car industry's current reliance on liquid fossil fuels. And in the UK, a startup called Azuri is combining mobile phone and solar technology to provide solar as a service. Rural users can pay for the usage of a solar panel over time, rather than in an expensive single payment. In the water industry, Chilean industrial designer Alfredo Zalezzi has created a plasma sanitation system that cleans 35 litres of water in 5 minutes and costs less than 1 penny per litre. US-based Okeanos Technologies is developing a more efficient way of removing salt from water. Using an electronic chip, the technique creates an electrical field to deionize seawater, forcing the salt ions out on a molecular level. In food production, Bright Farms works with US grocers to harvest salads and herbs in giant urban hydroponic greenhouses. It recently opened a 9,300 square meter rooftop farm in Brooklyn's Sunset Park. And in Brazil, organic sugar producer Balbo is developing a farming system it calls ecosystem revitalizing agriculture. It's hoped the method can help protect soil and crops from resource depletion and improve their pest resistance. The next 50 years will be a time of both huge change and opportunity. The Stress Nexus is a way to understand these changes, but action around the world must be matched by international cooperation and policy.